Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Wondering how some people your age is building wealth while others are drowning in debt? Today, we're breaking down the ultimate financial playbook designed for Gen Z and Millennials. Whether you're just starting out or already earning, this guide will help you save smarter, invest wisely, and build financial freedom. No confusing, just practical steps. Make sure to watch till the end because we'll reveal the #1 mistake that keeps young people broke, and how to avoid it. Number 1, the money mindset shift. Before we dive into strategies, let's talk mindset. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how you manage it. Scarcity versus abundance mindset. If you believe money is always scarce, you'll never take steps to grow it. Delayed gratification. Successful people don't spend impulsively, they invest before they spend. Financial literacy is power. Schools don't teach it, but understanding money early is the biggest life hack. Let me know in the comments, what's the worst financial advice you've ever received? Number 2, budgeting like a pro. Most young people avoid budgeting because they think it's restrictive, but in reality, it gives you financial freedom. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, rent, bills, groceries, 30% wants, entertainment, shopping, 20% savings and investments. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers so saving isn't a choice, it's a habit. Track your spending. Apps like YNAB, Mint, or even a simple spreadsheet can work wonders. Want a free budgeting template? Comment budget below and we'll send it to you. Number 3, the power of investing early. Here's a fact. If you invest just $5 a day from age 20, you could retire with over $1 million. That's the power of compound interest. Start small. Apps like Robinhood, Vanguard, or Acorns let you start with as little as $5. Index funds are your best friend. Instead of picking stocks, invest in broad market ETFs like S&P 500, VU, SPY. The rule of 72. Divide 72 by your investment's annual return rate to see how fast your money doubles. Investing isn't risky. Not investing is. Number 4, multiple income streams and passive income. Relying on one income stream is a risk. Here's how to diversify: side hustles, freelancing, YouTube, affiliate marketing. Passive income, real estate, dividend stocks, print on demand. High income skills, copywriting, coding, social media marketing. Want a full video on how to start a side hustle? Comment hustle below. The #1 mistake keeping young people broke. What keeps most young people broke? Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise. Instead of saving, you upgrade your car. You land a better job. You start spending more on luxuries. The truth, wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. The wealthy live below their means and invest the difference. Be smarter with your money. Your financial future starts today. If you found value in this video, hit like to support the channel, subscribe for weekly finance tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Comment below what's your biggest money goal this year. Let's build wealth together.